Welcome to Frequent Traveler TV. Today a little bit testing the systems. Unfortunately, I couldn't go live, which I wanted, but now I bring you the topic a little bit delayed. That is what happens when you are trying new things. Topics today are, we have Bonvoy. Marriott Bonvoy is giving you a sign-up offer for Uber if you connect them, 3,000 points. Then we do have a promotion with Accor All Limitless and Finnair, that you transfer your Accor points to Finnair. And we have a deal zone deal, which is from Paris via Portugal to New York. And the price is hot as well. It's approximately 1,139 euros. It was a slow day, so not a lot of topics. The first topic, let us start, is the Marriott Bonvoy, where you get 3,000 bonus points as a sign-up offer. And Marriott and Uber had a partnership launched already 2021. And SPG, where I'm coming from, to Marriott, there we had the Uber as well. And I remember that we had a challenge in Dubai where we could get extra points for doing that. And now there's a new limited time offer where you are able to earn 3,000 points just for signing up for Uber, and it works for Uber Eats as well. And you have to link your accounts until April 15th, 2023. What is to say? The conclusion is very simple. How many Bonvoy members can there be in the US who have not yet signed up with Uber? And that is something. But if you don't have and your account is in the United States, then just do it, just try it. And those are the requirements just for earning the 3,000 bonus points as a sign-up offer. No account yet, and US. But if you are in the US, try it to get the 3,000 points. Offer which is a little bit more beneficial maybe for you living in Europe, especially in Finland, and collecting miles with Finnair, and you collect with Accor. And you are not one of those hardcore Accor sleepers, you just sleep there, that you have not enough for a status. Then you have to select Finnair Plus as the preferred partner, and you will earn double points for the stays that are booked until April 17th. The offer expires because the stays have to be done until July 7th, 2023. Important stuff to know as well is that these Accor promotions always are to have to take them with a grain of salt, because the problem is, let's say it that way, it can shift all your points from Accor to Finnair when you click the box for automatic conversion. And another bummer is that you have to make sure that, of course, that you book during the eligible period, which is booking period, and I will repeat it for you, 17th of April. And another important point is, of course, and that you have to keep in mind, you can earn the bonus of double miles for maximum 3 times during the promotional period. 3 times. Not a lot, but anyways, little points can be big points in the future. And we have a deal zone, a deal for you. Let me show you the map. It's going from Paris, Orly via Lisboa or Porto to JFK or to Newark. It's a J class airfare, and this J class airfare is for 1,139. You have to be there 5 days or until the first Saturday after the arrival at turnaround. There are no restrictions when it comes to minimum stay except those. Maximum stay is not mentioned. Once free stopover is allowed. Per direction, there's a charge for cancellation, and that is a top specialty per direction, 200 euros. And the charge is 250 for reissue and charge 330 for no-show. Now you want to know how many points and miles can I get. I will share my screen for that. Here you see the screen now. There you see the miles. That is 894 miles. Lisboa JFK is 3,366. If you fly to Porto, it's a little bit less, 3,340. Therefore, it's less as well to Orly, 747. It would be nice if it would be a 747. Unfortunately, TAP has none. Where to credit? Here you see it in a J class. I just calculated it for Orly, Lisboa and JFK. There you get for Air China 17,719.6, 17,438 for miles and more, and then you see it's 17,012 for Copa Aegean, Egypt, Air India, SAS, Air Canada, Avianca and Ethiopian. Azul gives you at least 14,460. Then there are some participants which are getting 12,000 something for you. That would be Turkish and Emirates. Goal 11,000, and then 10,632 would be for Efanol, Nippon, Asiana, Thai Airways, Singapore Airlines, United. TAP gives you 0. That is not true. I hope Air New Zealand, South African and Hainan 0 as well. It was a short episode. What says the time? 7:07 minutes. I hope you liked the intro. I'm looking forward to your comments, what you think about the intro. Just comment down there and then we will see what we can do if we can get live one day. But I don't know why the mistake happened. The German version is going live. That I do daily, so I don't know why it did not connect. But thank you for watching Frequent Traveler TV today. I hope you have a wonderful Friday evening. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification button, the bell, and comments. Thank you for doing so, and see you tomorrow for the next episode. And sorry for being a little bit late today. Bye-bye.